Welcome to SaasGet Lifetime Deal. Today, let's explore a tool that simplifies your work and helps you get more done. It's efficient, flexible, and works on both mobile and desktop platforms. Triplo.ai is a productivity assistant that works in real time. It helps you with tasks like content creation, managing workflows, and automation. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. You can access it wherever you are, whether on the go or at your desk. This tool makes content generation effortless. You can create emails, replies, or comments in just a few clicks. It also allows you to save custom prompts for tasks you do regularly. This makes your daily routines faster and more efficient. The AI training feature is easy to use. By providing specific data, you can customize Triplo.ai to meet your needs. You can capture content from websites, documents, or YouTube videos. This feature is great for improving, translating, or recycling content with minimal effort. The tool integrates well with other apps. It works seamlessly with Zapier and Pabbly. You can even connect it to custom tools using API integrations. For hands-free control, the tool supports text-to-speech and speech-to-text features. This AI assistant is efficient and easy to use. It works across all major platforms and saves time by automating repetitive tasks. There are a lot of advantages, but one minor issue is the learning curve. It might take some time to explore all its features. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes a valuable part of your workflow. If you're interested in Triplo.ai, check out the link in the description below. This is a one-time purchase, so you don't have to worry about monthly subscriptions. Lifetime access starts at just $49. Thank you for watching. If this review was helpful, please like and share this video. Subscribe to SaasGet Lifetime Deal to stay updated on more exciting software tools and deals. See you in the next video.